Welcome everybody to Plant High School. I'm Coach Dennis Braun. I am the baseball coach and one of the driver's ed teachers. This will be my 17th year at Plant and my 14th year as a driver's ed teacher. I'm going to talk about a few general things and then turn it over to my colleague, Coach Hough. We'll talk about a few things. Obviously, this is first semester we will start e-learning with the hope of seeing students on campus after that. The lab fee for the driver's ed class is normally $40 to pay for leasing of the vehicles, gas, and upkeep. That will be temporarily waived or be reduced depending on how much the students are on campus driving. We are going to encourage everybody to get their license online due to the pandemic, and we want everyone to be able to drive on the road when we return to class. I'm going to turn it over to Coach Hough, and he's going to talk more about how to get your license online.
Hi, I'm Coach Hough. This is my second year here at Plant. I also coach boys and girls golf and boys tennis. We recommend that we encourage you to go ahead and get your license or your permit online. We recommend a website to go to. It's called $12cheapandsimple.com. I would choose packet number 1. It is $29.95. It takes you about 4 hours to complete this course. Once you complete the traffic laws and substance abuse education, they will then send you a link to go on and take your permit exam. Once you complete that permit exam, they will automatically go ahead and send your score straight to the DMV. We do not do anything with this website, so if you have any problems, if you choose to do this option, you would have to contact them where their contact information is on the website, and they will go ahead and guide you and give you information if you have any problems when you do that. If you choose to do this option and you go to the DMV, you are going to need to make sure that when you go to the DMV, you have your original Social Security card or a passport, 2 proofs of residence. If you do wear glasses or contacts, you will need those with you when you go to the DMV. They will give you an eye exam, and the fee is $48 when you go to the DMV to do that. We encourage you to go ahead and set an appointment as soon as possible if this is what you choose to do. Right now the DMV is backed up 6 weeks, so I would suggest that you get that taken care of as soon as possible. When you come back to us here at school, you will not be able to drive on the road without a permit. So that's why we're encouraging you to go ahead and get your permit online. When we start here on e-learning on August 24th, you will be seeing more information that is on Canvas. We will go ahead and post some of this information that we covered in this video. We look forward to seeing you guys here on campus. Take care.